I noticed this brake booster vacuum line is snapped in half. It's brittle plastic and just broke. To reach it, I had to remove some parts of the engine and even the cabin air filter to get proper access. While I was at it, I also unplugged a few connectors attached in the area to make sure nothing else was in the way. Normally, this line just affects braking, but on these BMWs, losing vacuum can trigger a failsafe that can stop the car from cranking. Now I've traced the hose all the way through the engine bay, and if this really is the problem, this could be the cheapest fix ever, or the biggest headache.